Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Trunks from the future Trunks, step by step in an easy way. By the way guys, if you want done drawing something that you like, just comment below in the comment box. And now guys, let's go, but never forget, God bless you. And this video is gonna be hidden 2 Dragon Ball items. If you can catch them, comment below in the comment box. And now, let's go.
gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.